People and businesses across the world have shifted their buying habits in response to the global pandemic. The demographics of consumers using digital platforms have never been more diverse. Now, business-to-business sales must adapt to a marketplace that has fundamentally changed. Introducing Jewel Bazaar B2B app. Presented by India Bullion and Jewellers Association. Jewel Bazaar is an exclusive e-commerce app to deal with all kinds of jewelry needs to the jewelers of India. This is also a complete solution to the jewelry retailers, as the entire industry is showcased under one app. All gem and jewelry industries, wholesaler, retailer and allied, come under one umbrella to showcase their products. Jewel Bazaar make your company a business 365. One has to work day in and day out for this, so make use of our app to be visible throughout. Harness the power of an agile, intelligent e-commerce solution built to maximize your business potential. Let's start with Jewel Bazaar. Wholesaler features. Show and hide option. Once your products are uploaded, you can choose which of the products need to be showcased. For an example, if you have uploaded 50 products, on that you have to display only 10 products, you can select those 10 images in Web Admin panel, remaining will be kept as hidden. If a retailer interested with your products, he will ask for see more products. Once the retailer requested, immediately you will receive the notification on your app, as well as Web Admin panel, along with retailer details. On accept, retailer can view your hidden products. Retailer requirement. Retailers can send in their requirements to a particular wholesaler with their own product images. If the product available with wholesaler, they can reply with their products images without uploading in product listing. This is an add-on feature given by Jewel Bazaar to the users. This conversation will be saved as history in Wholesalers Requirements tab on menu for further references. Profile page. Once the retailer clicks on wholesaler's image to view their products, your promo and banner or your video will be displayed. Following that, they will get to see all other products with a See More button. Category views. Jewel Bazaar worked here with lot of concept in category view. With Hyper and Pro subscription, you can showcase your products in category view. Each and every category you can choose which product need to display. This facility is an optional. If you don't choose any, we will pick randomly. Offer page. Wholesaler can post their offers in offer page to retailers. Jewel Bazaar will approve once you post your offers in offer page. Only retailers can view your offers posted in offer page. We have more features for all. Particularly, we have created JB Media, an exclusive jewelers media initiated by Jewel Bazaar to connect all jewelers beyond business. Get connected to one another by posting general jewelry news, video and info. App securities. This app is completely secured for taking screenshots and for screen recording. Some of the features from the retailer end. Markup facility. Markup facility is used for the retailer to use this app for B2C purposes. They can hide all the wholesaler names and logos to cast this app for their customers. Advanced search. Jewel Bazaar has given lot of searching option in our app. Dependent search. This option is to locate the exact product they're looking for. For an example, they want studded gold rings, they can choose gold, studded gold, ring. By this way they can locate their exact needs. Retailer can search by company names to locate their interested wholesalers. For fast search, we have created hashtag. These hashtags will help retailer to locate their needs faster. Wholesalers can use multiple hashtag name for a single product. This you can change anytime in your app as well as admin panel. Thank you.